You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this acronym, as well as how to say more interesting acronyms as well and what they mean. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. IMAO. IMAO meaning in my arrogant opinion. IMAO is how you say it, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Yes, make sure to like this video, it helps me a lot. Thanks much for your support, much appreciated. Thanks for watching as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.